Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Lori. So today's video is going to be a home decor haul. I have not been shopping like a crazy person, but I have bought a couple of little things that I thought were so precious, so I wanted to show you guys, so let's get started. So the first store I'm talking about is Target. I only bought a couple of things. When I saw this picture, I knew I had to have it. This is from the Opalhouse collection, which I feel like everybody's been talking about lately. This is what it looks like. It is absolutely stunning. I thought it was a perfect little picture for the summertime. If you're outside and you want to put some lemonade in here or some sweet tea definitely. It's covered so that no bugs will get on it, and I just thought it was so pretty. They have different colors. They have a white, which I almost got, and I think I might go back for the white one, but I got the blue one instead. And this was only $9.99. They have some really cute, adorable acrylic drinkware that goes perfectly with this, and I was gonna buy it, but I'm not sure. I just love this design right here. That's why I bought this one. Now, if they had some glasses with this design, I definitely would have bought it, but the design on the drinkware was completely different. But I love this. So the next thing I got was this cute little mug. You guys know I have an obsession with mugs. I have way too many mugs, but every time I see a cute one, I have to buy it. When I saw this, I thought it was adorable. You guys know I love florals. It has an L, which is the initial of my name, obviously, for Lori. And it has a really cute gold handle, which I thought was adorable. And this is actually from the Opalhouse collection as well, and it was $5.99. I really liked it because it's floral, and it reminded me of a mug I have from Anthropologie. Honestly, the Anthropologie mug is way more beautiful, but it was also way more expensive. But I saw this one, I thought this was perfect, and it's a huge size. When I saw these guys, I knew I had to have them. I actually found two of them, which I was super surprised. Guys, look at these. Bam. Oh, aren't they perfect? I love greenery. I actually made a room decor tips video a couple videos back. You guys can go check that out, where I talk about how you should use faux plants and faux flowers, because I do not have a green thumb at all. And I love when I find greenery that looks real. Like, to me, this looks super real. It doesn't look plasticky or fake. And I thought it was so cute. And of course, this right here, me all day. So these were $9.99 each. And I just thought they were so cute. Oh my gosh, I love these. And for $9.99, it was such a steal to me because they're pretty large, as you can tell. Like, they're really, really large. So I thought it was a really good deal. Oh my gosh, I forgot I bought this. Okay, so this is super random. It's not really home decor, but it has to do with DIYs. And I thought it was so freaking cute. If you're a DIYer like I am and like my husband is, and you forget your measuring tape, it's the worst thing ever. When you're at Home Depot, or even when you're going to buy home decor stuff and you want to see if a couch fits and you can't remember. But when I saw this, I got this at Tjmaxx. It is this keychain. It's a beautiful little floral keychain, but check this out. Bam. Now I can measure stuff without having any issues. And that's really, really cute. And it has a little tassel, which is super cute, and I love it. So I'm definitely gonna put these on my keys as soon as possible. I love buying soaps at Marshall's and Tjmaxx. And I bought this one. This was $3.99. It's a rose peony scented soap. I love buying these and having them in the guest bathroom. They just look so pretty, and this packaging is beautiful. The next thing I bought is from Marshall's. These are 2 baskets. And you know me and my baskets. I said I wasn't gonna buy any, but I actually bought these for some decor stuff I'm doing up in the loft, because we bought a brand new TV stand, and I'm going to be actually doing another video on decorating that. Now that I'm looking at them, I think they might be too big, but I'm still gonna keep them because they're pretty. But so this is the first one. I love these little handles. So these are the little handles. It's so cute. I thought it was adorable, and this was only $5.99. This bigger one right here was $7.99. Yeah, $7.99. But look how huge it is. It's really, really big. I thought it was adorable. I'll find a way to decorate with these because I just thought they were so cute. I needed to have them because I love black metal. And these were at Marshall's. Okay, so the next couple things I got are some decor pieces. I got this at Tjmaxx for $4.99. And I thought it was so cute. So I love buying artisan pieces at Tjmaxx. They have a whole collection of a bunch of different pieces, and I love bringing that into my home. I just love the feel of it, and it just looks so pretty. This was $4.99. I just love using neutral decor pieces like this, so I definitely recommend picking some of these up. And this was a Tjmaxx. Okay, so this next piece, it was also $4.99. It's authentic 100% recycled glass. This was made in Spain, my home country. Or one of them, because I have some Spaniard family and some Mexican family. Anyway, this is made in Spain, and look how beautiful that is, guys. There you go. So it's recycled glass. It just looks so beautiful to me. It looks very antique, which is my style entirely, and I bought these two pieces and they bounce off each other very well. So this is where I'll be bringing in some color. So this piece right here actually is one of my favorites. This one was $4.99, which I was so surprised at how cheap it was because it looks way more expensive than that. This is handmade decorated glass made in Turkey, and this says it's 100% genuine silver. But guys, this is freaking beautiful. Look at how beautiful that is. I love it. In the back, it's a beautiful color too. You can see it's not as embossed. It's just beautiful. You can even put this down and put like a candle on top. Like that could be really cute. I didn't even think about that until now. Let's see, let me try that. So put it like this and then put a candle. That actually looks really pretty, especially if it's going to be on a table where you're not touching it. That could look really pretty. Or like this, you see. But I really liked this. This was only $4.99. I definitely appreciate decor from all countries, so that's why I love buying artisan pieces. This is so beautiful, and oh, I cannot, it's breathtaking to me. So that was $4.99 at Tjmaxx. Freaking steal. So this last piece was $7.99, and this is alabaster glass. I was so shocked at how cheap the price was. This was made in Turkey as well, and it's handcrafted glass. But y'all, look at this beautiful color. Oh my gosh. When I saw this, I was just like, I knew I had to have it. It's a very beautiful cobalt blue. And this was only $7.99, and it's perfect for a coffee table. Just throw your remote and all that kind of stuff in there. I thought it was so cute. And $7.99, this thing is huge. It's huge. So that was a steal for sure. So that's all for this home decor haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There is so many cute things out there right now for spring and summertime. So make sure you guys go check out your stores and see what you can find. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at MyLoveItTexasHome. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. And make sure you push that notification bell so you guys can get notified anytime I upload a video. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.